Now in this problem, we are again rolling a pair of ordinary dice, and we want to know that the probability of the sum will be less than 8 or greater than 11. Well, once again, we can do a chart of our possibilities. For our sum to be greater than 11, we can see that our only possibility of being greater than 11 is to get a value of 12. And then likewise, if we want our sum to be less than 8, then we will be along this main diagonal, so we have a value of 7, or anything less than that. And so we can see that in total, what we then have is that the probability of less than 8 or greater than 11 will be, if we count our total number of possibilities, then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. And so we have a value of 22 over a total number of 36 possibilities. Simplifying this and getting rid of factor of 2, we can see that we have a value of 11 over 18.